Hi guys, I'm back. Today I'm going to talk about India. So, what is India? India is a country located in the Indian subcontinent. It is also bordering a lot of countries. It was the leader of the British India, but some of the British Indian countries like Nepal and Bhutan were not a part of the British Empire, and some countries that weren't part of the Indian subcontinent like Burma at that time isn't really a part of the Indian subcontinent. So, today I'm going to talk about India. Do you remember last time we talked about Afghanistan? Of course. India has an access to the Indian Ocean, which is named after India. The country was also named after the Indus River. So, the nation borders... Wait, give me a second. It has disputed territories with Pakistan and China. China and Pakistan hate India. India is also big allies with Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. Let's say Sri Lanka. So it's allied with Sri Lanka and Bangladesh. Its rivals is Pakistan and China. China has one disputed territory, and Pakistan argues about Jammu. And China also argues against something of India. So, India is a large country. So India has, I don't know how many there are time zones. The time zones are so rapid here. What is the meaning of it? I don't really know. What is that? I see that there's a time zone 5, GMT plus 5 in Pakistan. There is GMT 5 plus 45 in India. Also 5.30 GMT plus 5:30 in India. I guess there are 2 time zones. Okay, there are 2 time zones. I really don't know. It's okay. So India has 2 time zones. So this video is going to be more, since I now have this one book large. So we are going to Asia. So, what is it? Of course, it's a continent, largest out of all of them. But now we're going to talk about something. So, in India, the largest cities are Delhi, Mumbai, Bengaluru, Chennai, Calcutta, and... And let's say it's the city of... Wait, what am I meaning? The city of... Wait, seriously. The city of, let's say, Jaipur. Or Kochi. Fine, let's say it's Kochi. So, these are the country's largest cities. Let's move. So back to the times, the country used to be in the control in the British Empire, along with Pakistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Burma, Maldives, Sri Lanka, Israel, Jordan, Palestine, almost all of Yemen, almost all of Oman, half from the UAE, Bahrain, Qatar, Singapore, Hong Kong, and Malaysia. So yes, at that time they were Malaysia. I mean, they were part once. They were once part of Britain. Next we're going to move that India has very large population, the second most populous. India has a chain of farming, especially everywhere. India has a large types of farming. It has crazy farming in its country. So there are a lot of airports, a lot of educational systems, like there are a lot of farmings, food, cows, educational schools, universities, t-shirts, companies, and everything in this country is so educational. So, the next thing I'm going to talk about that India also has a lot of India's largest cities. If you take the map of India, you will say that the largest cities are, of course, like I said, Delhi, Bengaluru, Mumbai, Calcutta, and Chennai. Let's give this one. And then only the one. So, I think this is all. But wait, why so fast? So the next thing that India is not really tall like Pakistan, Afghanistan, and most of China. China has vast deserts in it, but India, only the north is the tallest. In the south, it's flat. India is also not considered, although it's in the Himalayan region, it's still not, only some parts are very tall in this region. Well, the final thing I want to say about India is its economy. Its economy stands, it's very large. Ahead Spain, behind South Korea, Australia, and I don't know. So, but there's one more thing. I'm not done. So, what can we say about this country? I just wanted to tell you that India has very large regions. It's part of the Indostan Peninsula. India has also Indian Ocean Pool. India is part of the Indian-Australian earthquake plate, also the Eurasian plate. The country also, India's average temperature is about 20 degrees, or 10 to 30 degrees Celsius, let's just say that. Especially in Mumbai, who has about 30 degrees Celsius. Delhi, Calcutta, and Mumbai have a lot of air pollution with 198, 132, and 148. And these largest cities are still here. So the top three would be Delhi, Mumbai, and Calcutta. New Delhi is in the north, which is the country's capital, right? If all continents were sized as population, the population of these nations would probably be this. India would be bigger than Europe, Africa, North America, South America, and finally, let's say the rest of Asia, about the size of China or even more bigger. And much bigger than Australia and Oceania. So that's India. Also, I want to say that India has a chain of ethnic groups. It is also part of there are a lot of Indian groups such as Hindustanis, Rajasthanis, Gujaratis, Malayalis, Telugus, Tamils, and final categories I would say it has also a chain of languages. One of the official languages are English, Tamil, Telugu, Punjabi, Kannada, Hindu, maybe West Bengal is the ethnic group, but it doesn't matter, and stay tuned, Pakistan is next.